Break down sheet goods with precision, power, and speed without the cord. The 18V X2 LXT 36V Brushless 6.5-inch plunge saw. It's powered by two 18V batteries for maximum performance and runtime. When used with a rail system, this cordless plunge saw is more portable than a table saw and lets you bring the saw to the work. Use it for breaking down wood panels or select from Makita's range of blades for cutting melamine, MDF, aluminum, and corian.
Breaking down sheet goods with this, with the combination of this track and the 9-foot track, it was a breeze. It made handling the sheets and cutting things very easy.
The efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 125 linear feet of cutting on a single charge, you can forget about being tied to a cord. It has a large cutting capacity with bevel capability from -1 degree to 48 degrees and 2 positive stops. Automatic speed change technology adjusts the cutting speed and power under load, so you get optimum performance cut after cut. Added features include a variable speed control dial that lets you adjust the speed to the application. Soft start means no kick at startup, and the electric brake is engineered for added convenience.
The power's better than any track saw I've really ever used. We were running up and down the sheets and there was no lack in power, because quite honestly, if it has a cord on it these days, I don't really want it.
It's compatible with Makita's fast-charging 18V lithium-ion batteries. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion batteries. LXT is one system compatible with over 175 solutions.
The track saw that I currently use, which the track saw really has become a staple in the tools that I have. Its flexibility, it totally removes the need for a table saw. It doesn't really bog down on anything. We were ripping 5/4, all kinds of stuff, and it's awesome.